my name is G. This is my first video on keto. So I have been used keto diet since lockdown. No, actually not really. Not from March is when it's locked down because of Corona. I have been put some weight on. So I'm come to find the keto diet, which is very help me losing weights. And also today is my first video as well, and it worked for me, so it's my first video today. So I just want to come in and show all the people who in keto diet about the ingredient and what is it I use in the house, and it worked for me, and we can get it for especially for the people who is in the UK. We can get it somewhere. So I just gonna come and tell you guys about that. So let's get started. Okay, this first one is wheat gluten. Vital wheat gluten, we use it for bake, and I use it for coating some chicken, to do chicken and meat, any type of meat or fish or prawn or whatever you want to cook it, and you fry it, so it's quite taste like flour, and it's give you the better taste as well. It's some people said diet food is already, it's not very nice, it tastes useless, but in this keto we can make it very nice, guys. We can make it tasty. So yeah, that's the first one, get past it. Then the second one, oat fiber. Oat fiber, you can get it. It's very difficult trying to find it at Amazon, but from time to time they have it, sometimes it doesn't have it, but alternative shop you can get it. You can get it from iHerb, which is a company in Europe, so you can get that. And by the way, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, this vital wheat gluten is, you can get it in Amazon, which is very easy and handy to come. And then coconut flour. This is what we use for coconut. We use for baking. Well, we can get it from Amazon or iHerb, as the shop I mentioned before. And I have psyllium husk. Psyllium husk, you can get it from Amazon. If not, iHerb, where you can get it. And then I got flaxseed meal. Flaxseed meal, we use it to making bread, pizza, and if anyone has some other idea to use it, please let me know. As you know, I'm not started a keto diet. I've been on keto diet for nearly 5 months now, and it worked for me. So I just want to come in to let you guys, for the new beginning, who is actually try to find some ingredient, where to get them from. So this is flaxseed meal. You can get it in Amazon or iHerb shop in Europe. Just search up and you can find them. And these santan gum is for thicken, like when you make gravy, when you make curry or any type of anything sauce you want to make it thick, use this. But bear in mind, guys, use only small amount because they are quite powerful on this santan gum. So you can get it from Amazon or any iHerb you can get it from. And almond flour. Almond flour, you can have it in, I buy it on my local shop in Aldi, so they have it, but you can get it from Amazon, iHerb, anywhere they have some health shop you can find, you can looking for them, which is very quite common almond flour you can use, and it's easy to find them as well. So you can get it from most healthy shop. And then we use generally with the keto diet, we have pink salt. Pink salt, you can get it from Amazon. It's an easy place to go to in this nowadays. You can get it from Amazon, which is easy to find. And I have the soya sauce here for someone who like Asian, like I like I'm Thai, so I like to cook my Asian food. So this is Kikkoman soy sauce. You can use this one, and some people says only this brand only because it's very low in carbohydrate and rich of sugar, quite low, and you can use it, and because it's got very high in protein, you can use that. So it's only special this on this label here, so you can use for keto diet. And then peel sesame soy sauce, you can use it as well for marinate some meat and cook something. And then I buy a big bowl of sweetener, alternative of sugar. I use erythritol because I find some other sweeteners very bitter, like stevia. I find it's when you use it, you got aftertaste. But that is personal preference, so you can choose what you like to use in sweetener. So I think we can have we can use erythritol, stevia. I think we got 4 types of the sugar we can use. But to me, I can't remember the other 2. Sorry guys. But as you know, I'm not professional myself. But I just come to show you guys where we can get the first beginning of keto starter to get started. And this erythritol, I get it from Amazon because I like sweet, so I need to get a big bulk like this. But they sell about 1 kilo or 2 kilo. It's when you first start keto, is the price of the ingredient is very expensive. So if you not use all of this, don't have to buy it because it will save you money. And to me, I buy it in small amount to get started when I discover a recipe. So I buy a small amount first, and then build them up that way. When you got it in the cupboard, is quite last long if you not use them every day. So yeah, so that's it guys. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. So if you like this video, please click like and share, and then if you subscribe, because I'm gonna have some more video about keto recipe coming up for the next video. So please subscribe. Thank you very much guys. Bye.